My boys, my boys, my boys. When that two-stroke pop, tell me who want to smoke with us. 12 o'clock.
Just like that, boys. 12 hours ago, we were working on the Zuma. Now we're rolling out. Ferry to ferry time, boys. You ready? These are the same ones from last year? I think. Yeah, this is the same guys. Hey guys, just trying to remember last year you said you just go straight here then left, or is it a right? All right, we'll see y'all in like 10 days. Oh, we're Spider-Man. What the fuck? Boys, as you can tell, it is that time of year again. We are headed out to Seattle for ferry to ferry. Maybe 4 hours into the trip right now. We have 7 hours worth of driving today, so we're getting it crushed out. Got the YSR loaded, Josie's bike, my Zuma, and on the road, boys. Hop in, kiddo.
My boys, my boys, my boys. When that two-stroke pop, tell me who want to smoke with us. 12 o'clock on your block, this Zuma scraping, it won't stop. Make them 70s whip.
Hopefully this works. If not, then I have to call the boss because he has a special tool that he can use to get in there, just unlock it.
I'll be impressed if he gets it.
We could just ask our friend that's inside to open it. We literally pulled up to Reno, slept for about an hour and a half, went and grabbed some food, went back to the hotel, and then we were locked out of the hotel, as you saw. So we spent more time getting back into our room to get our bags than we did actually sleeping at the hotel. We're off to a rough start. 1 a.m. right now. Locked out of the room, loading back up, and we're heading up to Oregon to hopefully get some fishing at sunrise. Got 7 miles left to our tank. We got about 20 till the next gas station, so let's hope we make it. Oh man. First one was 125. Hit the limit. Round 2.
In that balance point can't miss. Get behind me, throttle up and dip. Scooter so damn wet, came out water like a fish. Malosi and Polini, stay up on me, bitch, I'm dipped. Ping, 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 ping. This scooter go, this scooter go,
Morning. Real recognized real right here.
I had to take off all the dually notes that were on there. Oh my god, the King Ramps. I had to take all those off.
That was the last one?
That was the last one.
All right, boys, as you can see, we made it to Oregon. We are 2 years of Oregon trips into not catching a fish. We have some worms over there that have now died, and we got Josie over here learning how to fish, and we're literally in a spot where there's fish everywhere, and they can't go anywhere because the water's too shallow. And we're laying in our... Oh, look, there he is. We got the fish literally just like barely, because it's so shallow. You just see the carp just swimming on top of the water down there. We literally got the fish just trolling us, just swimming right up. You can literally see him out of the water, throwing lines on top of them, and they don't even want to bite on it. All right, we have made it to Portland now. So we made the journey up here kind of over the last 2 days, jumping around, trying to get in sleep where we fit in. We got our bikes over there. We just dropped off the YSR to Brandon's, and now we rolled up with Skylar. So we're probably gonna do a little ride tonight, and then meet up with all the boys tomorrow before like a pre-ferry to ferry little ride, hangout sesh. But we brought a fisherman with us this time. Brought a real fisherman with us today to learn how to catch some real size tuna here.
Tuna.
Steelhead and tuna, boys. That's all we're going for. Couple hours in, no fish. Homie over here, 2 minutes in.
Get out of the water.
Fish on, boy. All right, well, the only fish ever caught on 3 years of ferry to ferry trips is not caught by a non-local.
I don't know fish. That's 15 pounds at least. Oh, mouth. 15. Easy. Open the mouth. That bottom. Dang. See how big it up.
I mean, it's grip that day. You like that? Oh no.
Line leader. Grab that shit,
2 for 2. You almost whiskey?
I landed and I was slamming on the brake and I got stuck on the gas.
Alright boys, we don't know what we're doing. We just pulled the bikes out to hit a little cruise. Kind of been killing the time today moving around, so. But we're mobbing around Portland with a couple of the boys. A lot of the other homies are working on their bikes right now, kind of prepping it up.
That's it.
We kind of just been hanging out, working on the bikes and prepping for this weekend. Alright boys, it is time for another giveaway, and this time we are doing a horizontal Minarelli. We have a complete engine that is ready to be dropped in a scooter, and that's going to go to one of you guys. One of you guys will be lucky enough to win this engine here by simply just grabbing something off the website. So in this engine we have a Polini Corsa cylinder with a Polini race crank in here, all fresh Polini bearings, and then we have a full entire CVT setup as well with the Polini clutch, stage 6 clutch bell. We have a CP21 carb on here with a stage 6 intake, and this engine is ready to rip. By simply grabbing any item off the merch shop, as simple as a new sticker pack, which comes with 5 stickers in here, or one of these sweet little keychains that you can throw on your scooter, or by simply grabbing any of the new designs that we have on the website. We just dropped a bunch of new merch on the website. Every single item you buy is 1 entry to win. You buy 1 thing, you get 1 entry. You buy 2 entries. And just like last time we did a giveaway, we are ready to ship this thing anywhere in the world. So guys, check out MOPBOYZ.com. Always down in the description below. Grab yourself some entries. This giveaway will be going on until October 10th, so you have plenty of time to get your entries in. We will be doing a live drawing at the end, and someone will win this engine. We'll be shipping it to you for free if you live in the US, but if you live overseas, you will have to cover the shipping and import fees that hit you once it gets overseas. This is worth about $2,000 US. It is obvious that it is a win-win no matter what you do with this engine. So make sure you get your entries in now, grab some merch, support the website, and let's get to the video. What happened? No, I didn't even see a call.
I put my wheel down. I went like this. You went like this.
No way. Oh man, I feel like we have not actually rode since last Ferry to Ferry, boys. I'm loving the bar setup on this bike now. Loving the handlebars. If you haven't seen in the last video, we took the OEM bars and made these into like the pro taper looking naked bars, stunt bars, whatever you want to call them. And big fan of the regular bars. They feel 100 times better to me.
I was gonna scrape it, but you got in the way.
I see. I like it. Oh!
Ah, that was hard.
We've been coming down here for a long time. I know, but you come up here before I'm
You gotta get that front end locked in there, boy. No, it's spinning, but it says, I swear, go. Do it.
Dude, there's no mark.
Hit it, hit it, hit it.